We'll guide you through how to deploy on Vercel Hobby. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to vercel.com. Once you're there, click on the login button at the top right and sign in with your preferred method, whether it's GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Vercel dashboard. Here, you'll see an option to New Project. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to import a project from one of your connected Git repositories. Choose the repository you want to deploy. If it's a next.js project, Vercel will automatically detect it and configure the deployment settings for you. Otherwise, you may need to specify the framework or build settings manually. After selecting your repository, click the Import button. Vercel will then show you the project settings page. Here, you can review the build and output settings. Make sure everything looks good, and then hit the Deploy button at the bottom. Vercel will start the deployment process, which might take a few minutes depending on your project's size and complexity. Once deployment is complete, Vercel will provide you with a URL where your project is live. You can share this URL with others or use it for testing your project. A great thing about Vercel Hobby is that it supports automatic deployments. So, every time you push changes to the main branch of your repository, Vercel will automatically redeploy the project with the latest updates. This makes continuous integration super easy and efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.